How to connect your Google Mailbox to your Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Yahoo Mail. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on this icon. Now click on settings and choose the second option. Click on manage mailboxes right here. Click on another mailbox right here. Now it will take you to this page. Here you will find the Google option. Click on it and you will be able to add Google Mailbox to your Yahoo easily, and you will have multiple mailboxes easily. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.